The world will not be able to meet the great development challenges of the 21st century: human development, livable cities, climate change, food security, energy security, without improving how countries manage their water resources. Population growth, unsustainable economic development, pollution and mismanagement are pushing water resources in many parts of the world to their limits. Climate change ups that risk. It increases water demand, changes flow patterns, and increases the frequency of floods and droughts. There are 276 cross-national river basins in 148 countries, covering 40% of the world's population. States need to agree on joint water resources management if they are to share costs and benefits.
If water can give us life, then destroying the systems that deliver water, and indeed the systems that give stability to populations, can take life away from them.
Over 150 river and lake basins are shared by 2 or more of the OSCE's 57 participating states. Shared water resources can cause tensions and even conflicts, but they can also be a source of cooperation, trust, and security. This is where water diplomacy comes in. Finding solutions that balance the conflicting needs and interests of different countries and sectors. Jointly managing water can improve relations among countries and enhance security, prosperity, and the protection of the environment. This makes water an essential element of the OSCE's comprehensive approach to security.
Sustainable water management is key to ensuring peace, stability, and security. Although we are making progress in identifying and taking advantage of opportunities for water cooperation, much more needs to be done if we want to be serious about preventing conflict.
The OSCE supports countries in jointly managing water resources sustainably, particularly in the Sava, Dniester, Kura, and Chutalas basins. Since 2004, the OSCE and its partners in the Environment and Security Initiative have backed negotiations on joint management of the Dniester River, culminating in an agreement between Ukraine and Moldova in 2012. The current water crisis is mainly a crisis of water governance. Good governance is essential to prevent water-related conflicts at every level, from local to international. It allows resources to be managed accountably, transparently, and equitably, and to resolve disputes in a legitimate way. OSCE field operations promote good water governance through activities such as training courses on integrated water resources management, support to water user associations, and to water policy reforms. On the political level, the OSCE brings together policymakers, experts, private sector, and civil society to discuss water-related issues. The 2015 Serbian OSCE chairmanship has even decided to devote the annual Economic and Environmental Forum to water governance. The OSCE is well placed to address water and security challenges. It brings together all concerned to discuss challenges, putting water high on the security and foreign policy agenda. On the ground, it carries out projects that bring security benefits through good water governance. It turns water from being a potential source of conflict into a tool for confidence building and cooperation. Learn more: www.osce.org/water.